Hi, Miss Tina. How are you doing during this movement control order? Hope everything is fine. So, Miss Tina, did we have any client for the consultation?
Hi, Miss Akila. Yes, I'm doing fine. Thank you. Yes, we do have Puan Akila. We have one client today. Our client that we'll be meeting today is Puan Hani. As this is my first client counseling, as a senior lawyer, I hope that you will guide me throughout the counseling session.
Okay, Miss Tina. Of course.
All right, Miss Akila. The next client coming in is Puan Hani. Before that, I would like to precisely brief a bit about Puan Hani's background. Puan Hani is a lecturer who currently moved to Kuala Lumpur to give lectures in Taylor's University. Recently, she gone through a minor operation at River Bamboo Hospital as she was diagnosed for having appendix. Sooner later, she had heavy internal bleeding and felt something sharp poking in her stomach. Then, when she went to examine the cause of the pain, a doctor identified a scalpel in her stomach through the x-ray, and Puan Hani came to a conclusion that the doctor who was responsible for her operation might have carelessly left the scalpel in her stomach.
Thank you, Miss Tina, for the good information about our client. You can call our client when Hani to discuss more about her problem.
Noted, I shall call her in now. Mm,
Assalamualaikum and hi Puan Hani. How are you, Puan Hani? Are you okay during this movement control order? I'm Miss Akila and this is my junior counsel, Miss Tina. Before we start our session, can I know how was your health condition?
Hi, Miss Akila, and thank you for your warm welcome. My condition is not good but getting better. How am I doing during this movement control? So far, I'm doing so good. I learned something new during the MCO. I started to learn about how to make a dessert. I've never tried to make any dessert before, like caramel pudding. So it's something new to me. I gain a lot of knowledge on how to make a dessert.
Wow, Puan Hani, sound nice, huh? Okay, so as you can see, Puan Hani, this is close agreement. It actually a contract. After you had signed, there is a legal relationship between me and you. So in contract, you will sign it outlines by obligation and your obligation to the contract. So as you can see, you already seen the structure of the fees that my secretary emailed you, which we charge RM 300 ringgit per hour.
RM 300 ringgit per hour sounds expensive.
yes, it is very cheap among others actually. Don't worry, Puan Hani. The majority of the cases we work on are on a no-win, no-fee basis. Okay, let me explain what is it all about. No win, no fee is actually a term for a CFA, confidential fee agreement, which is an agreement between you and us where there is no financial risk to you. If the case wins and the award is granted, you will require to pay our fees. In some cases, you can recover the costs from the other side. Our fees can also be paid from your compensation. If the claim is unsuccessful, you will not be liable to pay our fees.
I see. So Miss Tina, I only pay the fees when this case wins. Is that what
Yes,
you mean it?
yes, you're right. I have looked into your financial status and it is actually very strong. So, I guess that you don't have any financial problems. Am I right, Puan Hani?
Yeah, for now. I didn't have any problem with my financial. It's quite stable for now.
Good to hear that.
Okay, Puan Haini, I just want you to know that everything you tell us, we will keep it safe and confidential. So you no need to worry and please do not hesitate to tell us about your problem. We will come out with the best possible option. So we hope that you can cooperate with us and we will find the solution for your problems.
Thank you, Miss Akila and Miss Tina.
As we understand that you are going to have an appointment in approximately 20 minutes, so the time is a bit limited. Thus, we hope that we can fully utilize these 20 minutes effectively. Before that, I would like to let you know that Miss Akila and I will be taking note as you speak. You may ask us freely if you are skeptical of anything, and we will try our best to provide clear answers of your doubts. We will also encourage you to speak the truth, as it will be easier for us to find out exactly what happened and for you to get the best solutions at the same time. At the end of the Q&A session, we will tell you what kind of possible options that you have based on your issue that you are going to tell us in a while.
Okay, Puan Hani. So for today consultation, we consider it as a fast consultation and it is free of charge. So no worries, we won't charge you on that. So we will likely begin to charge you for consultation fee after you read the terms and conditions that my secretary have sent to you just now. Please read through it later, okay?
Okay, Miss Akila. Okay, Miss Tina. Noted.
Okay, Puan Hani, what's brings you here and tell us about it.
Okay, basically after undergoing an operation, I suffered from terrible overbleeding, and when I went back to check myself, the doctor found out that I had a scalpel inside my stomach. That is when I came to know that during the surgery, the doctor carelessly left the scalpel inside my stomach.
Why was the operation conducted?
The operation was conducted because of I have been suffering from a severe at my abdomen part and decided to have medical checkup in order to find out what was the cause of the pain, basically. When I went for a checkup, I was diagnosed with appendix and the doctor suggested me to undergo a surgery to remove the appendix in the early stage.
I see. That's quite a long procedure. So how long have you suffered from the heavy internal bleeding, Puan Hani?
I suffered for around 1 week after my operation. In the beginning, I thought that it was normal, but a week later, the bleeding got worse.
Hmm. Okay, Puan Hani, the question that I'm going to point out now might be a bit sensitive, but we still have to ask you this as it's for your own good. Are you sure that the damages you faced are caused by the operation that was performed by the doctor from River Bamboo Hospital? Like, are you accusing the person? Like, is the person really involved in all this matter and the damages you faced?
Yes, I am very sure, Miss Tina. Like I said just now, after the operation, I suffered from terrible overbleeding. In addition, right after the operation, I didn't go to any hospital or having any other surgery.
Oh, I see.
Can you email me your copy of medical record and other document regarding to your operation?
Sure, Miss Akila. Wait a minute. I already sent the all document. Are you received my email?
Wait, I check first. Okay, thank you, Puan Hani. I received your email just now. Before I forgot, sorry Puan Hani, I just want to make a confirmation with you. It might be a bit sensitive. Did you have any past criminal record?
Nah, it's okay, Miss Akila. I didn't have any past criminal record.
Okay, Miss Honey, apart from that heavy internal bleeding that you suffered from, is there any other consequences that you faced during the 1 week? What are the other problems that you gone through, Puan Hani?
Not only that, Miss Tina, I also almost died because of that scalpel. I also lost my job because I need to take more medical leave after the surgery. I also lost a lot of money and time for this.
Oh, okay, that's all. Thank you, Puan Hani. If there any other thing you want to add, do not hesitate to inform us, okay? Maybe it can help us to figure out more solution for your case.
All right, Miss Tina and Miss Kila, thank you so much and help me to find the solution.
We will try our best, Puan Hani. So, what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to repeat back to you on how I understand your situation, Puan Hani.
Okay.
Please do not hesitate to stop me if I am wrong. You can just correct me whenever you want. You, Puan Hani, recently gone through a minor operation at River Bamboo Hospital as you were diagnosed for having appendix. Sooner later, you had heavy internal bleeding and felt something sharp poking in your stomach. Then, when you went to examine the cause of the pain, a doctor identified a scalpel in your stomach through the x-ray, and you came to a conclusion that the doctor who was responsible for your operation might have carelessly left the scalpel in your stomach. Not only that, but you also nearly died because of the carelessness of the person, which is the doctor. And in addition to that, you also lost your job due to the frequent medical leaves that you took because you were in terrible pain throughout the period of the time.
Yes, that is all true, Miss Tina.
So, Puan Hani, I will explain to you what possible you can do. The first option is you can sue because you lost of salary for the period and was unable to work due to the injury. Second option is volume test. The volume test that can be carried out to ascertain whether a doctor or other medical professional has breached their duty of care to a patient. All medical professionals have a duty of care towards a patient in so much as they must do what they can to keep them safe from harm. If a doctor, nurse, dentist, radiographer, or any other medical professional fails in their duty, like in your case, to provide a reasonable standard of care towards a patient, then it can lead to a medical negligence compensation claim.
Okay, noted, Miss Akila. Thank you very much.
Okay, Puan Hani, you can contact us if you have any inquiries to know or to give more information. We are willingly to help you to solve your problem.
Okay, and thank you so much, Miss Akila and Miss Tina. So may I leave this video call?
Okay, okay, Puan Hani.
Okay, have a nice day, Miss Akila.
Have a nice day too, Puan Hani.
So, Miss Akila, what is your opinion on our client's problem just now?
I think all the information that she gives is already enough because she has the point to sue the hospital. We can help her more to strong her statement. We as her legal advisor, we must do our best to help her as our client.
Yes, you are right, Puan Akila. After all, what are legal advisors for? We need to help our clients, am I right?
Yes, Tina.
So, Puan Akila, based on this case, what I can say or conclude is that this case is related to medical negligence. Why I'm saying this is because it fulfills all the elements of negligence. Am I right?
Yes, it's true, Miss Tina. The doctor causing the damage to the patients, and the doctor also breached the duty of care. Um, that's all.
Yes, you're right, Puan Akila. So, alright, Miss Akila, we shall further the discussion about this matter tomorrow. Till then, bye for now. Have a nice day.
Okay, Miss Tina, thank you and bye.